Our invention is a typewriter. It's a mechanical machine for writing. It's just like writing with paper and pen, but it is a lot faster. Christopher Charles invented the typewriter in 1860.
Oh, this is taking forever.
Here, I got your solution. Use this. It's a typewriter. You take this paper, put it in here. Then once you have it in here, you start typing with the key things. And then once you get ready for the next line, this thing will come all the way over here and make a ding. And then you push it back over and you start your new line and type again.
Ooh, this does sound easier.
Yeah, now it's easier to write letters.
You should go get the typewriter. You will get your letters done faster, and then you will have more time to do whatever you want instead of writing a letter.